exact. First things first, let's go hula dancing!
There's different steps in the hula dance. And the first one I learned was Hula. Your feet go side to side like this. And make sure your shoulders stay straight.
Okay.
The next step is ka'o, where you sway or move your hips from side to side. Like this. Great job! Now let's put those two steps together. The hela and the ka'o.
Okay.
Great job! The next move in the hula dance is the ami. That's when you move your hips in a circle, like this. You got it! Great job! The next step in the hula dance is the kaholo, my favorite step that has some of the steps we learned earlier.
Yay!
You put your arms out like this to the left, then to the right, waving them just a little bit like a bird. And make sure you move left and right too. The kaholo! Pretty cool, right? Now we're going to put all the moves we learned together. Do you remember them?
Yes!
The hela, ka'o, ami, and the kaholo. Ready? Let's hula! We're doing the hula! In Honolulu, Hawaii!
Now it's time to hit the beach. Thanks so much for learning how to hula with me. See you next time. Bye. Goodbye.